Alright, so we're back here in the scriptures. Now, I've noticed that this text is a little bit difficult for me to read. And so I want to be able to change the font so that the words are bigger and easier to read. So to do that, I'm going to tap these three dots in the top right corner of the screen. I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to go to Text Style. Now, there's two things here. There's a bar with a dot that you can drag to increase the text size. And then I can also change it to be a slightly different font. I like the old font, so I'm going to leave it there and hit OK. If I hit the back arrow in the top left, I'll see that the size of the words has increased. You can also change the theme, so you can follow the system light and dark theme. The dark theme just makes most of the backgrounds and text dark, and it can be useful for reading at night. If you set to system default, it'll follow whatever your Android phone is set to. So if your Android phone switches to dark mode at sunset, it will switch this app to sunset as well. You can also change the color. And that's it for now.